Hello guys, look outside my house right now. See all those birdies? There's just a camera like around there. Today at my house it might thunderstorm. Well, later. It says 100% on my weather channel right now. And look, the cardinals are right up in the tree having some fun. As you can see, there's two squirrels living up the tree. Have you ever thought that they were camera shy? I never did either. Look at that bird. Look, they're flying. The sun. That beautiful sun. Just in case you guys didn't know, I'm going to Florida March 8th through the 14th. So I'm going to film a lot there. Most likely I will. So I will keep you guys posted on every day in Drew. And by the way, if you guys are new to this channel, subscribe. This will only be my third video. And smash that like button. Ford F-150. My dad's. Oh look, there he is. Ha 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 ha. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video that I took. Please like and subscribe. See ya. Keep you posted.